Dito ang seed. Pumasok agad si Kaden. Kaden, nagtatayo siya dito.
If you'll just sit down. Show me that you're ready. Thumbs up if you're ready.
Sit
ready
down.
It's color red. The rose is color red. How can you touch the ear? Can you touch the ear? No, you cannot touch the ear. You can feel it. Is it cold? How about you? This one? Is it cold? Alright, it is cold. Now this one, the plants need air so that it can eat the carbon dioxide. After they eat the carbon dioxide, they will produce oxygen for people like you to breathe in. Alright, this is the... Yes, it's air. How about this one? Yeah. Oh, can you touch the light? Yeah, really? Can you touch it? Can you touch it? Oh, I don't think we can touch the light. We can feel it, we can see it. Am I right? This is the sunlight. The sunlight needs to go to the stomata of the plants. Like here, oh. So that it can have energy. How about this one? What's this kaya? This, later, you can play with that later, alright? Butterfly. Now, the butterfly will go to the plant because he will eat it, alright? Now, we're gonna play a song like this song. Do you know the song?
Very good,
This is a seed.
Oh, where's number 3?
Seed, and then you put it on this one, we planted this one. Oh, you have to put it inside the bin. Gentle hand. Alright, here. Hold. But you have, okay, you guys.
Morning. Afternoon. Ayan o, 1, 2. Ayan o. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan yung clock natin, no? Count mo nga. Count mo ulit. Very good. Oh, count mo yan. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Malaki dito. Malaki. Magluluto na daw si Kaden. Si Kaden ang chef natin.
It's color green. Most of the plants are colored. I will let you water them.
Numbers. Shoot mo, shoot. Very good. Anong plinini Kaden? Wala, nagtapong ka dito. Ang daming animals, so. Ito na. Oh, bilis! Lusot dun! Ayun, si Caterpillar. Kaden! Takbo na naman ang takbo.
That's fine. Okay, you can now plant a bed here.
Gusto niya na bulat.
Latte.